What's up, everybody? I'm Nat Metallics. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. If you're not new to my channel, thanks for coming back. I am so excited today, guys. I picked up a couple of items. Some of them came out recently. Some of them have not, but they're all new to me, and I'm going to try them for the first time with you guys. If you guys are interested in watching this video, stay tuned. I heard about Maybelline having a new foundation. This is the Maybelline Dream Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup Sunscreen Foundation. I think this is more on the luminous side. I don't think this is a matte foundation. It's got an SPF of 50, which is fantastic. I picked up the color 310 in Sun Beige, and I don't know how new this is. I think this came out in the summertime. It would have been nice if I would have tried it in the summer because it has SPF. But, you know, I want to try it on for you guys because Maybelline has really good face products. They have very good foundations and concealers. I love a lot of them. But, yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out. And I also picked up a fairly new concealer. A lot of people have been talking about it on YouTube, so I had to try it out. The Benefit Boiing Cakeless Concealer. I got the shade number 7. And the packaging is just so freaking cute. It looks like a pencil there. I love it. I'm going to open this up just to show you guys what it looks like. It has a doe foot applicator. Very nice. Now, the old version of this concealer was, I believe, it was the Benefit Erase Paste. This is a fantastic concealer, especially if you have dark under eye circles like I do. It's not heavy at all, but it's going to give you the coverage, and it looks natural, and it's not cakey, so you don't feel like you really have anything on. In the Erase Paste, by the way, I'm in shade number 2. When you open it, it's in a pot like this. I still have a good, I have something left in there. But this one comes in a doe foot applicator, which is much better to apply as opposed to sticking your finger in here, and you know what I'm saying? So I am so excited to try this, you guys, and the packaging is so cute. The next product I picked up, this is actually another drugstore product. This is from Wet n Wild. It's the Photofocus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. And it looks like this. Again, I don't think this is new at all, but it's new to me, and I wanted to try it. Now, the star of the show. I have heard all the rave about these Juvias palettes. I've heard that the quality of these eyeshadows are just amazing, and you know, you're getting it for maybe 20 bucks or less. I don't think this is a new palette, but again, it's new to me. I think it came out last year or something like that. This is called the Magic Mini palette by Juvias Place. I want to give you a nice little view here. It is a cardboard packaging. This is what the back looks like. It has all that information jazz on there. This is what you get when you open it up. Look at that. That is gorgeous. You have your crease, you know, your neutral shade here, and then you have some beautiful crease shades here. If you want to be a little bold in the crease, or if you want to keep it neutral, it's just, oh, those shades are perfect for the crease. And then you got some beautiful shimmers in this palette. This row right here is all different shades of blue. But yeah, these blues really called me. These blues are the reason I really chose this particular palette. But I think today I'm going to work with some greens here because we're heading, you know, we're in fall, and I just love a green eye for the fall. I think that's just so beautiful with a nice nude lip. So I think I'm going to do that today. But I wanted to show you guys how gorgeous this palette is. And I'm going to give you a small swatch. I'm going to swatch this beautiful green here. It's called Buzo. Yeah, let's see if the swatch does any justice. This is it on my finger. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That's just 1 or 2 swipes down my hand, but look how pretty is that green. It's just so gorgeous. I actually just grabbed like a wipe to wipe that swatch off, and it did not come off easy, guys. To me, that's a good sign. That means these shadows are gonna last all day. So those are the products that I picked up. Yeah, we're gonna jump right in and let's see what we come up with. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I hope you liked that quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you what it was like me applying these products. Starting with the Maybelline foundation, the Dream Urban Cover. This is a very dewy foundation for me, so I thought it would be good to pair it with a matte primer because I have oily skin. So I figured if I combine the two, it'll be safe for me. I'm gonna close up, even though you guys saw a close up earlier, but I just want to close up a little bit just so you guys can see the foundation. I really love this. I haven't tested it out yet in terms of how long it lasts or how it wears off throughout the day, but so far when I applied it, it blends beautifully. It's not patchy. It's a great color for my specific skin tone. This is Sun Beige. I think it worked out really well. I'm really happy with that. Moving on to the concealer. This concealer, I honestly cannot tell the difference between these two. I think, you know, the benefit from this over this original one is that it has the doe foot applicator, so it's easy for you to apply it. It's not heavy at all. I find this a very thin concealer, but it's full coverage. It just doesn't feel full coverage, and I like that. I like that for days that I don't want to feel like I'm wearing all this makeup on my face. So yeah, this is really nice. It's definitely worth the money. This primer, I don't know how I feel about this primer. I like the spritz. I like the spritz of this. It doesn't, you know, come out too harsh. The spritz is nice. You know, it's a mist, which I prefer when it comes to sprays. This is not a setting spray. This is a primer spray, so it's good to melt, you know, the makeup, the powder and the foundation all together. It works really well for that. What I don't like about this is the smell. I can't stand cucumbers. I don't like cucumbers. I don't like the way they taste. I don't like the way they smell. I know they are very good for you. I wish I liked them, but I just, I can't stand cucumbers. And this smell to me is terrible. I don't like the smell. But the application of it, the spray and the outcome is very nice. So I have to decide what I'm going to do with this. I might just use it when I have nothing else left and just hold my nose and spray it because I can't stand the way this thing smells. This is a beautiful palette. It's very pigmented. The colors blend easily. I love the color combination that's going on here. I don't know what it is. I love it. There's no black in this palette. This shade called Aja is what I used in the outer V from my eye look in this video. And it's not matte. It has a slight satin finish to it, but it's matte enough that it doesn't look all crazy in my V, you know, in my outer V area. So I was very happy with that. Any shade you're trying to work with, if you need a dark shade, unless you're going for this dark blue or dark purple here, you know, this can pull off almost like a black because that's how dark it is. But it applied very nicely. It wasn't patchy or anything. And this green is just to die for. I fell in love with this thing. This green is beautiful. I love it. The crease shades really work nicely. I did have to pack on a little bit, but not as much as I would with other shadow palettes. I mean, this is very pigmented. I paid 20 bucks for this in Ulta. I think 20 or 25. I think I paid 25. I'm definitely getting another Juvia's Place palette because this was an awesome find. I'm very picky with eyeshadows and I'm very happy with this. I'm eager to try other shimmer shades. I'm gonna bring it up a little close so you guys can just take a better look at, you know, the shades, the shade selection here. It's very, very pretty. You're gonna be seeing this in my other tutorials. I'm letting you know now because I'm in love with this thing. So that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope some of the things I purchased here was a little informative for you. I'm not sure if you guys were planning on buying any of these things or if you own them already. Let me know how you feel about them. You know, let me know what you think about this Maybelline foundation. I was very happy with this, and I have oily skin. So if you have, you know, dry skin, or if you have normal skin, let me know if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you, you know, just to share the knowledge for others out there. I'm all about that. I was very, very happy with this. But again, guys, I have oily to combo skin, and I did pair it with a matte primer. So I'm just putting that in there because I do believe that helped me. I mean, I will test this without a matte primer just to see the difference. But I can tell from the overall finish that the primer, you know, mixed well with this for my skin, so that it is dewy, but it's matte enough that I don't look like an oil slick. You know what I mean? That completes the video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, please, please, please subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to check out my other videos. I'll link them down below for you. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Show me some love. I can use some love. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.